Seniors, foot soak with 3 ingredients that revives tired, cold legs. Have you ever struggled to get out of bed because your feet feel like blocks of ice? Or found yourself rubbing your legs constantly, hoping to bring some relief to that persistent coldness and heaviness? If you're over 65, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That constant discomfort isn't just annoying, it's robbing you of your independence and joy. But what if I told you there's a simple solution using just 3 ingredients that you likely already have at home? A foot soak that has helped thousands of seniors restore circulation and warmth to tired, cold legs in just 10 days or less. I must emphasize that the preparation method is absolutely critical. A close friend tried this remedy but had a small cut near his toenail, which led to complications. Please stay with me until the end because these ingredients are powerful and must be used correctly. I'll be sharing exactly when to avoid this mixture and the precise way to prepare it for maximum benefit and safety. Let's talk about why circulation problems plague so many seniors. As we age, our cardiovascular system naturally becomes less efficient. The blood vessels lose elasticity, making it harder for blood to travel all the way to our extremities and back. This is why so many experience cold feet, tingling sensations, heaviness in the legs, and even swelling around the ankles. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they can significantly impact your mobility, making it painful to walk even short distances, and they often disrupt sleep when cold feet keep you tossing and turning at night. Many turn to expensive medications or compression socks, but these typically address symptoms rather than the underlying issue. They might provide temporary relief but rarely offer lasting improvement, and some medications come with troublesome side effects that can create new problems while trying to solve old ones. This is where the power of a properly prepared foot soak comes in. The concept is simple but powerful. By creating the right environment for your feet, we can naturally stimulate blood flow, reduce inflammation, and provide essential minerals that support vascular health. The 3 key ingredients work synergistically to revitalize circulation: Epsom salt, peppermint oil, and precisely heated water. Let me break down why each component is essential. First, Epsom salt isn't actually salt but magnesium sulfate, a mineral compound that's absorbed through your skin during the soak. Magnesium is crucial for proper muscle function and blood vessel relaxation. Many seniors are unknowingly deficient in magnesium, which can contribute to poor circulation. When absorbed transdermally, meaning through the skin, it bypasses the digestive system, allowing for more efficient utilization. The proper amount is critical, though too little won't provide benefits, while too much can be drying to sensitive skin. The second ingredient, peppermint oil, contains menthol, which creates that cooling sensation we associate with mint. But here's what most people don't realize. That cooling sensation actually triggers a response in your blood vessels, causing them to expand, which increases blood flow to the area. This vasodilation effect helps bring fresh, oxygen-rich blood to your feet and legs, while assisting with the removal of toxins and cellular waste that may be impairing circulation. The third component, warm water, isn't just a carrier for the other ingredients. It's therapeutic in its own right. The temperature must be precise, between 100–105 DEGF, about 3840 DGC. This specific temperature range opens the pores of your skin to maximize absorption of the beneficial compounds while dilating blood vessels to improve circulation. Water that's too hot can damage sensitive skin, while water that's too cool won't provide the therapeutic benefits we're looking for. Now, let's discuss the preparation method in detail, which is where most people make critical mistakes. As I mentioned earlier, getting this right is essential for safety and effectiveness. Begin with a basin or tub large enough for both feet to be completely submerged up to the ankles. Plastic or stainless steel works best, as some materials might react with the Epsom salt over time. Fill it with 1 gallon of water at that precise temperature range I mentioned, 100–105 DGF. If you don't have a thermometer, the water should feel comfortably warm, not hot. You should be able to put your elbow in without discomfort. Add 1 cup of Epsom salt to the water and stir until completely dissolved. The dissolution process is crucial. Undissolved crystals can be abrasive to sensitive skin. Here's a tip many people miss. Add the Epsom salt while the water is still running to help it dissolve more efficiently. For the peppermint oil, the proper dosage is just 5-7 drops, not more. This is where many make a dangerous mistake by adding too much, thinking if some is good, more must be better. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant compounds, and using too much can cause skin irritation or even chemical burns on sensitive skin. Always dilute essential oils properly. The most common preparation mistakes include using water that's too hot, adding excessive amounts of essential oil, not dissolving the Epsom salt completely, and not testing the mixture on a small patch of skin first if you have sensitive skin or allergies. Another crucial point that many tutorials overlook: always mix the essential oil with a carrier substance before adding it to the water. Since oil and water don't mix, the peppermint oil can float on the surface in concentrated amounts if added directly. Instead, mix your 5-7 drops of peppermint oil with a tablespoon of milk, liquid soap, or honey first. Then add this mixture to your foot bath. This disperses the oil evenly throughout the water, preventing potential skin irritation from concentrated oil contact. Now, regarding the optimal time and setting for your foot soak. Evening is best, approximately 1-2 hours before bedtime. This timing serves multiple purposes. First, it allows the circulation benefits to help warm your feet naturally as you sleep. Second, the relaxing properties of magnesium can improve sleep quality. Third, this establishes a consistent routine which enhances the cumulative benefits over time. The recommended duration is 15 to 20 minutes, no longer. Extended soaking can actually strip natural oils from your skin and potentially cause dehydration through the pores. Set a timer to avoid losing track of time. Create a comfortable environment to maximize the experience. Ensure your seating allows good posture with feet comfortably submerged. Have a towel ready nearby for drying afterward, and perhaps some soothing music or a favorite book to make the experience more enjoyable. The environment matters. Stress counteracts the circulation benefits we're trying to achieve. During the soak, gently move your feet occasionally, flexing your ankles and wiggling your toes. This movement helps circulate the blood and enhances the soak's effectiveness. You might feel a pleasant tingling sensation. This is normal and indicates increased blood flow to the area. Before I continue with what to do after your foot soak, I need to emphasize that in the next few minutes, I'll be covering crucial precautions and considerations. This information could be vital for your safety, especially if you have certain health conditions. Just like I would tell a friend over coffee, please pay special attention when we get to that section. For those who don't have these ingredients on hand, I've added links to reliable products from Amazon in the description below. They are the exact ones I've researched and found to be of high quality. After completing your 15-20 minute soak, proper post-soak care is essential to maximize benefits. First, dry your feet thoroughly with a clean towel, paying special attention to the areas between your toes. Moisture left between toes can promote fungal growth, which is counterproductive to our goals. While your skin is still slightly damp, this is the perfect time for a brief self-massage to enhance circulation further. Using your thumbs, make small circular motions on the soles of your feet, working from the toes toward the heel. Then gently massage upward on your calves, always moving toward the heart to support proper circulation. Even 30 seconds of this technique can significantly boost the soak's benefits by manually stimulating blood flow. After the massage, apply a small amount of moisturizer to prevent any dryness from the Epsom salt. A lotion containing shea butter or coconut oil works well, but avoid petroleum-based products, which can trap heat and prevent proper skin respiration. Wear warm, breathable cotton socks after treatment. This helps maintain the warmth generated by improved circulation and protects the feet as they continue to absorb the residual benefits of the treatment. Avoid synthetic materials as they can cause sweating and interfere with the positive effects on circulation. Now, let me share an optional fourth ingredient that can take this remedy to the next level. fresh ginger, or lemon essential oil. Adding a thumb-sized piece of freshly grated ginger to your foot soak introduces gingerols and zingerone, compounds that create a warming effect and further stimulate circulation. Ginger also has natural anti-symmetric peppermint and Epsom salt. Alternatively, 3-4 drops of lemon essential oil, properly dispersed, as explained earlier, can add cleansing properties while providing an uplifting aroma. Lemon oil contains compounds that may help reduce fluid retention in the legs and feet, a common complaint among those with circulation issues. To incorporate either of these enhancers, add the ginger after the Epsom salt has dissolved, or mix the lemon oil with your carrier substance before adding to the water bath. Regarding the results you can expect, it's important to have realistic expectations and understand the timeline. After your very first soap, you'll likely notice a temporary warming sensation and perhaps slightly reduced discomfort, but lasting improvements require consistency. By days 3 to 5 of daily treatment, most people report more sustained warmth throughout the day, reduced heaviness in the legs, and improved comfort when walking. Many also notice slight improvements in leg swelling, if that's been an issue. The full benefits typically become apparent around days 7-10, including significantly warmer feet throughout the day and night, reduced tingling sensations, improved walking comfort, and better sleep due to warmer feet at bedtime. Many users also report unexpected benefits like reduced foot odor and softer skin after achieving these improvements. A maintenance routine of 2-3 soaks weekly is usually sufficient to maintain the benefits. I've heard countless success stories from seniors who've transformed their daily lives with this simple routine. Take Margaret, age 78, who had stopped her daily walks due to leg discomfort. After 10 days of consistent foot soaks, she resumed her walking routine, starting with just a block and building back to her previous half-mile daily walk. Or consider Robert, 83, who suffered from such severe nighttime leg cramps that he was getting up 3-4 times nightly. After incorporating these foot soaks, his cramps reduced significantly and he now sleeps through most nights undisturbed. Perhaps most surprising was Elaine's experience. At 71, she had accepted cold feet as just part of getting older, but found that after consistent use of this soak, not only did her feet stay warmer, but her long-standing fungal nail infection began to improve. An unexpected benefit from the improved circulation and the natural antifungal properties of peppermint oil. Now let's discuss the crucial safety considerations that I promised earlier. This information is particularly important, so please pay close attention. First and foremost, who should consult with their healthcare provider before using this treatment? Anyone with diabetes must speak with their doctor first. Diabetes often causes neuropathy, which reduces sensation in the feet, making it difficult to detect if the water is too hot or if irritation is occurring. Additionally, diabetic skin heals more slowly. Those with peripheral artery disease should also consult their physician, as should anyone with open sores or cuts. The compounds in this soak could potentially enter the bloodstream directly through breaks in the skin. If you have a history of severe allergic reactions to any of the ingredients, obvious substitutions should be made. For instance, lavender oil can sometimes be substituted for peppermint oil, though it won't provide the same effects. Warning signs to watch for include persistent redness lasting more than an hour after treatment, increased pain or discomfort, development of a rash or hives, or any unusual swelling. If you experience any of these symptoms, discontinue use immediately. For those with sensitive skin, a modified approach involves reducing the concentration of Epsom salt to half a cup and reducing the essential oil to just 2 to 3 drops instead of 5 to 7. Additionally, limiting the soak time to 10 minutes. People with high blood pressure should be aware that sudden dilation of blood vessels can occasionally cause lightheadedness. To prevent this, always rise slowly and consider having a stable object or person nearby for support. Recent research from a 2021 study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that transdermal magnesium absorption might be particularly beneficial for seniors. The study of 62 adults over age 65 showed that those using regular magnesium soaks reported 43% better circulation scores after 8 weeks compared to control groups using warm water alone. For those seeking optimal results, hydration is a critical factor often overlooked. Drinking an 8-ounce glass of water before and after your foot soak enhances circulation benefits by ensuring your blood volume is optimal. Dehydration naturally thickens blood and makes circulation more difficult. For those who don't have the ingredients I've mentioned, as I promised, you'll find links to reliable products in the description below. I've researched these specifically for purity and effectiveness, so this simple 3-ingredient foot soak, Epsom salt, peppermint oil, and properly heated water creates a powerful therapy for revitalizing circulation. When prepared correctly with the precise measurements and methods we've discussed, and used consistently for 10 days, it can transform comfort and mobility. Remember to always dissolve the Epsom salt completely, properly dilute the essential oil before adding it to the water, maintain the correct water temperature, and observe the recommended 15 to 20 minute soaking time. If you choose to add the optional ginger or lemon oil enhancement, follow the same careful preparation guidelines. As you implement this remedy, consider what other simple, natural approaches might you be overlooking that could significantly improve your comfort and mobility. Our bodies often respond remarkably well to gentle, consistent care using elements found in nature. Perhaps this is just the beginning of your journey back to better circulation and comfort. If this helped you or someone you love, consider subscribing and sharing this video. You never know who might need it.